you spoke about the real rates in detail, but bottom line is you're not seeing 4% in FY25, at least according to your projections at this point in time. There was hope that when the US Federal Reserve supposedly is going to cut rates in June, then the RBI might follow. Are we looking at any kind of any indication of a rate cut this financial year or not? That's my primary question.
You see, with regard to the rate cut this year, I cannot give you a forward guidance. In fact, countries which give dot plots also, the dot plots keep changing from meeting to meeting. So with regard to rate cut or whatever rate action, I mean, let me not say rate cut, but whatever rate action, it is linked to the evolving path of inflation. So on that, I cannot give you any forward guidance. And the other point which you mentioned about expectation linked to US rate cut, I think, as I have said on number of occasions earlier, our monetary policy is primarily guided and determined by our domestic situations. So we do not just follow the footsteps of the US Fed. In fact, if you just recall in the past several months or, past few years in particular, I can talk about. I mean, we did our rate cuts, our rate cut, which we did in 2019, or the beginning of the rate increase, which we did in 2022. They actually preceded US Fed action. So therefore, our policy is governed and determined primarily by domestic circumstances.